Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the basic template files of WordPress. So I'm going to read this article, which is developer.wordpress.org slash themes slash basics slash template files. So WordPress template files are actually this, so which is called style.css, which means that it is the main style sheet. It is required in all themes and contains in the information header for your theme. So I suggest you to write read this article, and what you have to know the basics of the template files, which template works, how these templates works. And for example, if you watch our last video, then we use single.php. So in single.php it is working. The single page templates is used when a visitor requests a simple post. Then as you can see, the singular.php, which means the singular template is used for posts when single.php is not found, or for pages when page.php are not found. If singular.php is not found, then index.php is used. So then we have got page.php, which is the page template is used when visitors individual pages which are a built-in template. Okay, then category.php, the category template is used when the visitors requests post by category. Then tag.php, the tag template is used when a visitors request posts by tag. Then taxonomy.php, the, the taxonomy term template is used when a visitor requests a term in custom taxonomy. So author.php, which means the author page templates is used whenever a visitor loads an author page. Date.php, which means the date time templates is used when posts are requested by date and time. For example, the page is generated with this kind of a slug. Then archive.php, the archive template is used when the visitors requests posts by category, author or date. Then search.php, then attachment.php, image.php, 404.php, which actually the WordPress cannot find a post page or the content that matches the visitor's request. Then comments.php. So I request you to read this article and learn about this template file. So I think if you want to make your code clean, then you have to use it. And otherwise, if in order to be a WordPress developer, you have to learn this type of things. So I hope this will help.